Have you ever faced failure so big that you thought you would never recover? What if I told you that one decision, just one, could turn your worst failure into your greatest success? What if the key to $1 million fortune was hidden inside a mistake? This is the true story of the $1 million decision, a story that will change how you see failure forever. By the end of the story, you will understand how setbacks are never the end, but often the beginning of something great. Welcome to Epic English Stories, where we help you learn English through powerful, life-changing stories. Listening to these stories will not only improve your English, but also open your mind to success and inspiration. If you want to grow in language and life, hit that subscribe button now. John Carter was an ambitious entrepreneur. From a young age, he dreamed of building a business that would change his life. He had the passion, the drive, and the vision. But life had other plans. At 30 years old, John invested all his savings, $50,000, into a tech startup. He believed in his idea. He believed it would succeed. But within a year, everything fell apart. The business failed. The money was gone. And John found himself drowning in debt. For months, he was lost. He blamed himself. He doubted his abilities. Every night, he lay awake, wondering if he had made the worst mistake of his life. Then, one evening, something changed. John was sitting in a coffee shop, scrolling through job listings, when he overheard an old man talking about his own failures. "I lost everything once," the old man said. "But I made a decision to learn from it. And that decision made me a millionaire." Those words hit John like lightning. He realized he had been looking at failure the wrong way. Failure was not the end. It was a lesson. And if he learned from it, he could turn it into success. That night, John made a $1 million decision. He decided to start again. But this time, he would do things differently. Instead of chasing a big idea with big risks, John focused on small, smart moves. He studied successful entrepreneurs. He learned about compounding growth, how small, consistent actions lead to massive success over time. He started a simple online business with just $500. No investors, no big risks, just steady, daily improvement. He committed to making one smart decision every day. Some days, it was improving his website. Other days, it was networking with the right people. Day by day, choice by choice, he built something stable. Within 3 years, John's business had grown into a $1 million company. John's story teaches us an important lesson. Failure is only failure if you stop. But if you learn from it, failure becomes the foundation of success. You might not be an entrepreneur, but this principle applies to everything: your career, your relationships, your dreams. Have you ever given up on something after failing once? Have you ever felt like you are not good enough after making a mistake? Remember this: the key to success is not avoiding failure. It is learning from it and moving forward. Now, think about your own life. Have you ever faced a failure that felt like the end? How did you handle it? Tell me in the comments. What is one lesson you have learned from failure? Let's talk about it. John's $1 million decision teaches us a powerful truth. Success is not about being perfect. It is about making small, smart decisions consistently. And remember this quote: "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." At Epic English Stories, we bring you real-life stories that change how you see the world while improving your English. If you found this story inspiring, subscribe now for more life-changing stories. And tell us in the comments, what is your biggest motivation to keep going even after failure? Let's inspire each other. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and remember, one decision can change everything. Make it wisely.